Every map on your wall, in your classroom, on Google Maps, they're all lying about the size of countries. Let's see the math behind the deception. On a Mercator map, Africa and Greenland look roughly the same size. But is that true? Not even close. Here's the truth. Africa is 30.4 million square kilometers. Greenland? Just 2.2 million. Africa is 14 times larger than Greenland. Watch Greenland shrink to its real size. The Mercator projection stretches by 1 over cosine of latitude. At the equator, scale is 1. No distortion. Watch the bar grow as latitude increases. At London, 1.6 times inflated. At Greenland, nearly 3 times. At the poles, cosine hits 0. Scale becomes infinite. That's why no Mercator map can show the poles. In 1859, mathematician Nicolas Tissot invented the indicatrix. Identical circles placed on the globe, then projected onto the map. At the equator, the circle stays perfect. At 40 degrees, it's noticeably bigger. At 60 degrees, it's doubled. At 75, it's nearly 4 times the size. Same real-world area, wildly different map area. Watch what happens when we slide Brazil from the equator toward the North Pole. The further north it goes, the more Mercator inflates it. At 60 degrees latitude, Brazil appears over 3 times its real area. Same country, same real size. The map just can't handle high latitudes. Here they are at true scale. Africa dwarfs everything. 30 million square kilometers. Russia, 17 million. Still enormous but not the monster Mercator suggests. Brazil, 8.5 million. India, 3.3 million. And Greenland, just 2.2 million. A fraction of what the map shows. So why use Mercator at all? For navigation. A straight line on a Mercator map is a constant compass bearing. Sailors draw a line, read the angle, and steer. That's why Gerardus Mercator invented it in 1569. Angles are perfect. Sizes are sacrificed. Every flat map must choose. Mercator keeps shapes perfect but sizes wrong. Equal area maps keep sizes right but distort shapes. You cannot flatten a sphere without losing something. That's a mathematical certainty proved by Gauss. Every flat map lies. Africa is 14 times bigger than Greenland. Angles or areas. Pick one. You can't have both. That's the unavoidable math of map projections. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more visual math.